Good morning, everybody. So it is Friday, which means it is an assessment day. I hope that you all have been practicing your spelling words throughout the week, but then also practicing some of the other stuff. What I am going to do today for our video is a little different than what I've been doing the other days. If you look over here, it is officially Friday, April 10th, 2020. Today, instead of going through our Wonder slideshow, I'm just going to read the assessment to you all, and maybe you all can follow along and take it together. Don't forget to pause the video or to go back and replay it if you need things to be reread to you. Just like if we're taking a map test or any other kind of test. You can go back and you can rewind it a little bit to hear me read it again, or you can pause it if you need some more time. All right, let's get started. In the beginning, the first few questions, we are going to have some questions that are asking about a little snippet that I've been reading. So listen, focus, and pay attention while I get started. Don't forget to put your name and the date at the top of your paper so we can remember what this goes to. But this will help you all answer the questions to follow. So listen up. It says, "You can tell by looking at the sky," says Herbie. "The sun is small." "No," says Kurt. "The sun is large. It only looks small because it is so far away." The boys cannot agree. Their teacher makes plans to help them. "I will take our class up to my spaceship," she says. "Great! Then we can see how big the sun is," says Kurt. The travelers hop into the spaceship. First, the teacher makes the spaceship go up high. Then she whirls around. "Woo!" cries Herbie. "What is that?" "Venus," says Kurt. "It's a planet that travels close to the sun." The spaceship hurls through space. Then the kids see another planet. "That is Mercury," Herb blurts out. "Its path passes close to the sun too." "You are right," yells Herbie. "The sun is really huge now. Please take us to the suburbs," urges Kurt. "I want to tell my family about the exciting trip." The teacher turns her spaceship to the left, and they head back to school. All right, moving down. I hope you all could hear me. I'm sorry my phone rang during that. But let's move on to this next little snippet. Take your finger, go ahead and point to number 1 as we answer these questions together. It says, Kurt says that the sun looks small because it is so blank. Okay? Kurt says the sun is so small because it is so A, bright, B, nearby, or C, far away. Why does it look so small? Answer your question now. Number 2, why does the teacher take the class up in her spaceship? A, she wants the boys to see the size of the sun. B, she wants the boys to have exciting class trip. Or C, she wants to show the boys what spaceship looks like. Go ahead and answer number 2 now. Don't forget you can pause if you need to. Moving on. Take your finger and point to number 3. Oh, a little too high. Why does a teacher make the spaceship go up so high? A, she's in a hurry to leave the school. B, she needs to keep the children quiet. Or C, she wants them to get closer to the planets. Why does she make the spaceship go up so high? Go ahead and answer your question now. Awesome. Number 4, why does Kurt want to tell his family about the class trip? A, he did not like the class trip. B, he was excited to see the planets. Or C, he saw Mercury pass close to Venus. Why does he want to tell his family about his trip? Great job. Number 5, this will require a little bit of writing, but don't forget you can use the paragraph up at the top to help you answer some of the questions. 5, why does Herbie change his mind about the size of the sun? Go ahead and write your answer now. All right, if you need extra time, pause it and then you can begin again. 6, why is this story a fantasy? Do you all remember what a fantasy means? Remember, a fantasy is fiction. That's the only hint I'm giving you. Excellent. All right, go ahead and take your paper and turn it over to the other side. We are on number 7 now. This time you don't need the passage from the page before. This is just going to be filling in the blank with some words on which one fits best. The words that are over in your bank are another, climb, full, great, poor, and through. We have to figure out which one fits best in each sentence. Number 7, the tall glass is blank of milk. Which one fits best in that sentence? 8, a monkey can blank high in a tree. Pick out the one that finishes the sentence. 9, he won a really blank prize. Which one helps finish that sentence? And 10, don't go blank that dark door. Don't go blank that dark door. I hope you all were able to figure some of them out. All right, like I said, you are always able to rewind, listen to them again, pause it, and replay it if you need to. I know I'm moving fast through this, but it's because you are able to control the video a little bit. All right, number 11. Which word is a stronger way to say turns around quickly? Okay, so think about turning around quickly. Which one is a faster way to say that? A, heads, B, passes, or C, whirls. Which one is a faster way to say turns around quickly? Great work. 12. Which word is a stronger way to say large? Large. Which one's a better way to say large? A, big, B, huge, or C, tiny? Which one is a better way to say large? Maybe a stronger word. Excellent. Good work, guys. 13. Which word is a stronger way to say go fast? A, hurry, B, move, or C, walk? Which one is a stronger way to say go fast? Awesome. All right, and then this last section, well, not last section, but this next section is going to require you really looking at your packet and looking at your words, because I don't want to read these words to you. I want to see if you are able to read them yourself. So I hope you all have been following along very closely. But number 14 is a picture of a fern. Which one spells fern? Good work. 15 is a picture of a skirt. Which one spells skirt? 16 is a picture of a worm. Which one spells worm? And 17, it's a little boy who is first in line. Which one spells first? Great work. Moving on to 18. Which word means someone who paints? Who is someone who paints? Remember, that is a noun. We've talked about this before. What do you have to add to that verb to make a verb into a noun? A, paint, B, painter, or C, painting? Which one makes it a verb? Someone who paints. Excellent. And 19, which one means someone who travels? A, traveling, B, traveled, or C, a traveler? Which one means someone who travels? Good work. Number 20, if you add ER to the word teach, you will get a new word that means what? So if we add ER to teach, you'll get a new word that means A, a subject that you study, B, something that you learn, or C, someone who teaches. What will your new word mean? Excellent. You have come to the end of your assessment for this Friday. Collect it. Have your mom and dad send us a picture of it. Either they can dojo it to us or email us or whatever form of communication your class has talked about. And we will gather some of that data and go ahead and keep track of all of our work. Thank you guys so much. Hope you have a great Friday.